What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos and be part of the family. So today I'm gonna give you guys a little more in-depth into this car. I know I haven't really showed it as much, but today I'm gonna do 5 things I love about this car. Unfortunately, I haven't found anything I hate about it yet, except like 1 or 2 things. But I'm going to keep driving it until I find some more things to hate on it. Because with every car, there's always something you're not going to like. But I might never even get to that point where it'd be 5 things I don't like about it. So far, the car's been great, and I want to share what's been great about it and what do I like about it and all that good stuff with you guys. So we're going to start the car and then head out for a little drive and talk about it. Alright guys, so we pulled over and we're going to talk about the 5 things I love about my new 2018 Mustang GT with the performance pack. So let's start out with number 1. The wheels. I mean, these wheels are so nice. I love them. They look so sophisticated. It looks like a lot is going on, but I definitely love them. It doesn't look like they're just the regular looking wheels. They don't look basic. They definitely look like it was a complicated looking wheel, which is why I kind of like it. And also, with speaking of the wheels, I kind of love the brakes too. You know, I wish they were a different color so you could see them more, but yeah, they're Brembos. They look so nice, and of course the tires, the Michelin, the Pilot Sports, look really good on the wheel as well. The second thing I love about the car is the quad tips. I mean, let me just show you guys up close. Look how good they look. Mustang finally decided to put the quad tips on the car. It makes it look a lot more better. It looks a lot more aggressive. Sounds a lot better. I mean, just look how it makes the back end look so aggressive. You know, you got quad tips on each side. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like them like this, or just like the regular Mustang tips, or these quad tips they just added on in 2018? I love them personally, and I think that was a good choice to make, just because it just makes that rear end look a lot better. The third thing I love about the Mustang is the wing. I mean, check out this wing. So I don't know if a lot of you guys like the wing. Me personally, I love the wing just because it just looks so aggressive. I mean, this is a performance pack wing that they give you with the performance pack, of course, and it just looks, I don't know, it makes the whole back end look better. I can't imagine this car without the wing at all. If you take that out, it just looked like a regular Mustang to me. So I don't know how I feel about it without it, but let me show you guys a little more up close. I like how, like, it's of course not attached here, so, and it comes up all the way past the trunk, even though it's not attached to it. The car, it looks nice. And then you come over here, you have these, you know, 2 little lines right down here, and then same thing as the other side. I don't know, I like it, and I like how it grooves in and then comes out. I don't know, I love it. In my opinion, I think this is a keep. What do you guys think? You think I should leave it or take it off? I think I'm gonna leave it for now until someone else shows me a better alternative, maybe a better wing, a better looking wing. I don't know. I like this, and I think it makes the whole rear end look a lot better. Enough of the exterior. Let's talk about my 4th thing that I love, and that is in the interior of the car. So let me show you guys one of my favorite things that I love about this car, and this number 4 is probably really a number 1. So let's look at it. The seats, guys. The premium leather Recaro seats. Just check how beautiful they are, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about them once I stop showing you guys. So this is what they look like. They're so comfortable, it's not even funny. And of course on the other side as well. Let me tell you guys about these seats. So these seats are so comfortable. I mean, look at this. They put me right in my seat. I don't move. Like, unlike the Hellcat, I'm like going everywhere. When I'm turning, I'm rolling over. In this seat, you cannot move. You do not move. It hugs you. It's just, they're so amazing. And the reason why, I mean, I hate to say this, but I kind of like driving this better than the Hellcats because of these seats. They're just such a comfortable drive. You could even have long drive. You could drive road trips with this car. Not like I'll ever do that, but I could. But just because these seats are so comfortable. So let me tell you guys the few options they had when you want to get these seats. So the basic option, because when I went to order, you have a bunch of them, and the first option is cloth. So the regular cloth seats are not even Recaros. Second option is the just leather regular seats, you know, just the regular seats that every car would have. Third option is Recaros but in cloth. Fourth option is leather Recaros, and the fifth option, which is these, is premium leather Recaros. I don't know what the difference between the regular leather Recaros and the premium, but all I know is this was the premium Recaros, so it was the better option, of course, and I'm happy with them. They look amazing. They look good in pictures. They look good in person. They feel good, and I thought these sport bucket looking seats are gonna be uncomfortable, and I heard all these people complain like, it's not comfortable. It's not supposed to be comfortable. They're not meant for that. They're meant just for racing. I kind of disagree, because I don't know if these are really the sporty seats, but they're pretty close, and they are amazing. I mean, they put me in my seat. My back doesn't hurt. It's a lot more comfortable than the Hellcat. And Hellcat has the Alcantara looking and the leather and all that, and still has nothing on this. So this is by far my favorite option on this car. My fifth and final thing that I love about my Mustang is inside the car as well. I'm gonna show you guys. This is also my second favorite. Besides these seats, this was like a must, and I had to have it in this car. Otherwise, I would have never got this car. And it's the dash. So a lot of people say digital dash, right? This is literally a digital dash, guys. Let me show you guys. Look at this. So the cool thing is this has so much different type of options. So right now it's in just regular mode. So once I flip the switch to sport, watch what happens to the dash. It totally changes. So from sport to track, it also changes. So you got the miles per hour right there. You got the gear right there on the other side right here. Gear right there. And then you got the RPMs on top. And also, you could also put it in track, and then you have drag strip, and then you put it in snow and wet, and it just goes back to normal like this. I mean, this is by far one of my favorite options. Just look how how good the dash looks. All digital. This was probably Ford's the smartest thing they've done. Also, the way I was changing what I was doing over there is right here. So they have different modes right there. Let me show you guys. Let me zoom in. Right there. So once I switch them, like watch, I'm gonna switch this. Let's switch it to sport, and it changes to sport. So also you have this right here. This is a steering wheel. I don't know what's wrong with this camera. Right here. You change it, and it changes the way the steering wheel feels. So let's change it real quick. Sport, comfort, and then normal, and then you got sport, comfort, and normal. Okay, hold up. Comfort, sport, comfort, normal, and sport. Okay, so you have 3 of them. And then you have this if you want to hit a tree, and you know, these, I like these knobs actually. I don't know, what do you guys think of them? You guys think they're too much, or they kind of fit in the car? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, maybe there's another thing I like about this car. So maybe it's not 5, I think it's 6. There's so much things that I like about this car. It was hard narrowing it down, but I could not leave this one out. So I'm gonna show you guys. This button here, it's a Mustang. Let's click on it. You come here, you click on exhaust mode. The fact that I could put it from quiet to normal to sport to track is amazing. I love this. You know, You could play around if you're, you know, if you're driving home, you could put it on quiet. If you could have a quiet start. That's the best thing they could have done. I love that about this. You also have your ambient lights, and which I have them all purple right now, as you guys can see, and they're literally purple everywhere. But if you get bored of that, you change it, and it's kind of a cool option to have, just because you're not gonna get bored of the way the dash looks. You can always change it up in different colors. You can also make up your own color. Let me show you guys. My color, create my color. Look at this. You could create your own color right there. That's what I'm doing. Or you could blend in all 3 colors. That's sick. That is sick. I don't even know what to say about that. I've never seen a car that could do this. So there might be other cars that could do this, but it definitely does it in my Mustang. So appreciate Ford for adding that option in there, because it's pretty cool. Let me give you guys a walk around real quick. What do you guys think of the black? Is it starting to look a lot better? I don't know, I kind of do like the black now. So I'm gonna end the video here, and if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to show support and be part of the family. Turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos, and let's keep growing, guys. We're going at such a good rate. We're gonna get more giveaways. Merch is dropping soon. More fun things with the Hellcat. It's definitely getting modded pretty soon, so just stay tuned for that. Love you guys for all your support. I wouldn't be able to do none of this without you guys, so make sure you guys thank yourself, stay positive, and have a beautiful day. Peace.